Again to the point. So in this particular video, guys, I'm going to show you guys the updates based on my trading so far. Like I started with you guys, and also I would like to show you guys my history so far. Like I started before I funded my account with $100, and so as you guys as I made a clear video on it either last week or last 2 weeks. So I was able to flip my account to $122. So as you can see, and also I'm going to share some of the tactics and some of the strategies I used in flipping my account to $122. As you guys know from my previous videos, as you guys can also be able to watch it from my previous videos, my account was like $10 to $50 and so and I was able to flip it now up to $122. So I'm going to walk you guys through on some of the strategies now, so that you guys be able to know some of the key facts about it. So one of the first things about how I was able to reach this milestone, though it's quite small but it's quite big. So one of the things I was able to lead up to this point, up to this $100, is all about discipline. If you are trading a small account or big account, what matters in the forex market, in the forex industry, is all about discipline. You need to discipline yourself regarding when to enter, regarding your entry and your exits. So without rushing into the market, because market is not been owned by anybody. So and also regardless, and I was able to study my analysis, because I'm a technical trader. My analysis is based on the current moment of the forex, based on the candlestick, the rise and fall of the currencies. So as you guys know, I majorly base in three pairs: the GDP USD and US30, and also gold USD. So but mainly I have mainly focused on gold ever since the last 2 weeks up to this moment. As you can see it, these are the histories of my trade. As you can see it, these are the history, and I have made like 48 profits, regardless of the ones I have already withdrawn. Also, I'm also going to withdraw another little money, for everything. If you make some money, you also withdraw and eat. It's very important. So, and also I'm going to make a video on how you can be able to withdraw your earnings from your broker, especially for those who make use of SNES. So I'm going to make a clear video on how you can be able to withdraw from your SNES account. So as you guys can see the history, both the ups and downs, the profit, the losses. But all the same, I thank God, and also thank God for my strategy. I was able to make much profit than losses. So as you guys can see, and today, as well as at the moment of making this video this morning, I was able to I made a very huge losses because of one of the challenges I do encounter in the forex trading. So my challenges is that I don't normally exercise patience to because I'm a scalper. We scalp within the time frame, or within 1 minute time frame. We don't waste time. So it's lack of having patience in my trade. So I scalp within some seconds. I'll enter, and also I exit the trade. So I think one of my main challenges is all about having patience. I don't have patience in my trade. As you can see, this particular trade here, which I lost $9, and $1.37.78. As you can see, this particular trade section here, and this particular market were also reversed, but I was unable to exercise some patience because my analysis was very clear. But just that I didn't have that patience. I wasn't that patient enough for this particular trade to reverse back to my direction, back to my position. So, and I was able to exit this particular trade, of which I exited in losses. So and I was able to back up with this particular one here, this particular one here, this $2 here. But all the same, my total loss for today is like, let me just say $10. But I'm still going to cover. I'm still going to cover back this $10 because I believe in my strategy. So and that is the real fact there, guys. So without wasting much of your time, also let me just go back to the trade. So for me, one of my strategy I normally use in scalping the gold is that I make use of RSI, which is the relative strength index. So these are some of the symbols or some of the indicators you need to use as a forex beginner, and also as a forex pro. So you need to have some of the indicators that will enable you to know the exact time frame through which you can be able to enter a trade and also exit a trade based on your own understanding and also based on your own discipline. So like I always tell you guys, it is good that you always focus more on being disciplined of yourself, because if you are disciplined, definitely not being too greedy in forex, because that greediness can also lead you to so many things, being negative and also positive. But you need to understand the time frame, or you need to understand the longevity of the greediness towards the forex market. So so let me be able to show you guys some of the indicators that you can easily add up to your to your chart. As you can see, this is the main chart, and this is the indicator window. So if you click at this particular point here, this is for the indicator, and this indicator basically is within this background. So why the main chart is here, which is here through which your trade occurs, is the main chart. So of which, if you are to add any indicator from the main chart here, it will definitely appear at that particular trading section. So you can choose different trend. These are oscillators based on the 2 and 4 movement of the candlesticks. So, and also this is the volume, depending on the one that suits your understanding, also the one that suits your strategy. So these are different main charts you can also different indicators you can use in your trading career. So for me, I normally use of a relative strength index, which is this. So this is my main focus in indicator. So it gives me better understanding of what is going in and out of the market. So guys, I think this is all I have to say, and this is all I have to offer at this particular video. So just let me share with you guys some of my histories, of which I was able to flip my $10, $20, $50 account to $122. So, and also as like I told you guys, I'm going to make a withdrawal, of which I'm going to make a clear video on how you can be able to withdraw from your SNES account to your main bank account. So guys, stay tuned and always stick to my videos, and also please do not fail to subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in my next video.